welcome. Yep, I told everyone I'm gonna record a video. Okay. Okay, so I'm record. Okay, guys. Some people are just excited. They want to be on YouTube. So I'm gonna dance around this fire. There's a glitch you can do. By the way, I'm gonna tell them again. That's no. Okay, we're not gonna be here for a long time, so I'll see ya. Well, no, see ya. No. Snail. Well, soon another person is gonna join me. She's a member, and it's my little sister. Right here. Right there. Right there.
With the stars on it. With the blue stars.
Yeah, with the blue stars.
And white.
And
Here.
I will be back. And this will be a blue fire. See ya.
I'll dance.
Okay, guys, I have made it this blue eagle, and this is the last thing. All you need is dancing. Dancing.
Oh, come on, it's so little. Dance. Come on, everybody, dance.
I'm recording. Boop, boop, boom, boom, boom. Oh my gosh, you guys are doing it at the same time. Yeah, I like to tell people I'm recording. This is my second YouTube video. And we are gonna stop dancing, and we are.
Dance. I'm gonna follow you. Wherever you go, I'm gonna follow you.
Okay. Try to follow this. Okay, you can. Because you're an eagle. Mario, can't you like fly? Yeah, you can fly. You can go to secret area.
I can't even slide.
Well, we are going over here.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah, that way.
Okay.
So we're with this guy. I want a snake. So I have no idea where. Hawaii.
So that's the beach.
The beach. So this is the beach. I like the beach. It's this. I like it, and
I gotta sleep.
yeah, I don't have that much.
Beautiful.
So she's sleeping on a cloud. Not even on a blanket.
Yeah, because eagles fly.
Yeah, I like the way you sleep.
Yeah.
Dancing. Who? A movie. So this is just about role playing and stuff. We're just gonna role play, and that's all we're gonna do.
I'm gonna change into...
Yep, he's trying to look silly. And
I turned into my tiger.
turned into your tiger.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Tiger.
Isn't it?
So General Scare V.
A golden carrot for that. Look.
No, that's a diamond. That's a crystal carrot, just for that. So yeah, we're gonna talk about each other and explore some dens.
We're
We're gonna talk about each other and explore some dens, starting with her den. Starting with my sister's den.
Oh yeah, I have lots of them.
Video gaming stuff. She's a gamer. Grab some lemonade.
Hey,
Yummy.
nobody takes this.
What? Hey, good. Look, I'm in my seal. Shh.
Hey, that's my dad. That's my dad.
Hey, like ya.
Yeah.
Shh. Gonna pose on this.
Oh wait,
Woo, sit down.
I have a squid. Do, 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 do.
Like this
I like
squid.
how squid.
So I want to be a squid.
Okay. But, wait. You have to get rid of that. Okay, get it. Oh.
I'm gonna pose this way. And I'm gonna stare at these reefs for, yeah. Hey guys, we're back.
My friend.
Yep, we're back.
Oh. She came back.
Yep, yep, I have a fish with me.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm lightning. I'm Master Strong Gem. I had him for a very long time. You don't have a lot of stuff.
Miles.
Do your thing. Woo!
Miles. She only has a tiger and a wolf.
A tiger and a wolf. Wow. Wait, is she not a member?
Yeah. Look.
Whoa. Not a member? So I'm not the only non-member. But still,
Come down like yours.
you cannot see me. Pet?
I can see your pet.
No, you can't. You can't see me.
And I can see your name tag.
No, you can't. You cannot see me.
I'm gonna poke your name tag. Okay.
You cannot see me.
Oh.
Hide with
You only
me.
have 30 pets, that's all? You don't have a turtle?
There.
You can only have 30 pets, that's all.
Oh wait. Hey, look. Just
I
wait.
like how the seal does this. It looks so cool.
Just wait. Just wait. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me.
I can see your head.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
I can see your name tag. And
Hiya! Oh, I want this. Is that purple? It is. Gosh.
What is
My seahorse pet.
You can't change it, you can't.
Yes, you can. Oh, you can't. Oh, why?
Goodbye.
Got 2 hamsters and a seahorse.
I'm a unicorn.
No, you're not. You're not a unicorn.
Yay.
So you're trying to go around the castle? I'll try. I'm going to go and swirl around just for fun.
I'm inside of the castle. Look at me.
Okay, we're gonna go to my den. We're gonna check out my den.
Is she under the castle?
So we're gonna check out my den and see what's going on at my den. And I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, we're back and we're at my den.
Yeah.
The first video we checked out our den, but sorry about that. And we're going to sleep in leaves for an hour. Yeah, we're going to sleep in leaves for an hour. Okay, it's been 1 hour, so we are going to go. And then now we're going inside.
I said more.
We're tickling my pet. I'm just kidding. We're not.
I said
I'm gonna feed.
They're on the leaves for 2 hours.
What?
I slept on the leaves 2 hours.
No, you slept on a leaf. You slept on leaves for 1 hour. Yeah.
Sleep.
Pika! Sleep. Yeah, I like that Pokemon. Power. I trapped some phantoms. It was really hard to capture them.
This is where you dig holes.
Yeah, this is where I diggy. Oh, this is where I have my minerals. Dig for minerals.
I'm gonna sleep on your list.
I dig for coal. I dig for diamonds. I have some diamonds in there. Don't look on that. Don't look in there. But look at my phantoms. They're like, doo-doo. Wait, they're jumping at the same time. It's like, doo. Yeah. Boom, doodly. Okay, I'm going in my treehouse now. Oh, it's hard to balance. It's hard to balance in my treehouse. I'm gonna decorate the inside of my treehouse. Okay, I have decorated my treehouse.
Hey,
And I only decorated the inside though.
I have a hummingbird. How about
Just wait, I have some things. Gonna go shopping. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back with some more of this. And I changed my zen a bit. It is awesome. Hi. Oh yeah. If you've forgotten, this is my friends. Yummy tummy. Hi. Classmate. Oh yeah, she's my classmate, just in case you didn't know. I'm gonna be changing. Changing. I'm changing.
How you doing?
Changing. I'm changing. I'm changing.
Not even changing. Just dancing.
No, wait, I'm changing my clothes. Changing my clothes. Yeah, I'm changing my clothes. I'm going to school as fast as an eagle. Yep. We're gonna. Yep. Yeah. So I'm going fast as an eagle.
Miles, I should be.
Eagle.
I should have that.
Eagle.
Look at how fast I am. I got that.
Yeah, you should have this
I
hat.
said fast.
You should have this hat, shouldn't you? No, bite yourself.
I'll take
Ow!
Yeah, take that.
Ow!
I want that backpack. Give me that.
Ow!
What?
No, that is.
Bitch.
Wow, it's been 10 hours and you were fighting me.
Yes. I hate this. Give me that.
I'm just yeah.
Give me that. Give me that.
So she does not know if I'm recording. Yummy carrots. Let's go. Well, actually, I'm gonna end this episode here. Yep, it's been a long time, and guess what? I'm gonna make more videos for you guys in the comments.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
See you guys later.
And also, I'm gonna make a
Peace.
video.
No, wait, actually, if subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe for more videos, but subscribe also for more games if you want to play. Also, leave a comment, leave a like and stuff. Peace out, audience.